Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Egg Builderman. To begin your quest, you must first find the secret portal. This portal is cleverly hidden within the game's central area, requiring keen observation. Once found, a riddle will appear, which you need to solve to activate the portal. Be ready for a tricky platforming challenge immediately after entering. This is the only path to obtaining this rare item. After successfully navigating the platforming section, you will enter an ancient labyrinth. This maze is vast and confusing, but there's a secret. Look for the glowing moss on the walls. It will guide you through the correct path, helping you avoid frustrating dead ends. Your goal here is to collect 3 ancient keys, which are essential for unlocking the next crucial area on your journey. With the 3 ancient keys in hand, proceed to the Grand Builderman statue. Present the keys to activate the next challenge. You'll face a memory sequence puzzle, which must be completed accurately within 60 seconds. Following this, prepare for a quick minigame where you must defeat a guardian bot. Success in these trials brings you one step closer to your reward. Upon completing all challenges, the Builderman will appear and graciously grant you the legendary Egg Builderman. Congratulations, you've earned this rare and coveted item. Make sure to add it to your inventory right away to secure your prize. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other fantastic deals. They make healthy eating effortless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.